In this video, let me show you how to congratulate someone on Duolingo. The first thing you need to know is that this feature is available, but not for everyone. Duolingo often rolls out features gradually or tests them with specific user groups, so the Celebrate or Friend Updates features are only available to certain randomly selected accounts. If you do have access to this feature, go to your profile. Also, make sure that you're following the person you want to congratulate, and they're following you back. Next, go to your followers list and select the person you want to celebrate. From their profile, go to the achievement section and tap View All. If the feature is available for you, there should be a Celebrate button next to the achievement you'd like to acknowledge. You can then choose from various emojis like confetti, clapping hands, flex biceps, or hearts to send your congratulations. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.